Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hayle Santella and I upload videos all about living a happy and healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we are going to be doing a haul from Archer and Olive. So I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys everything that I recently purchased from them. So if you don't know, Archer and Olive is a stationery company and they specialize in bullet journals or dot grid notebooks. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys the very first item that I got. And that is this notebook right here. It's in this really pretty navy blue color and it has some gold detailing on it in this celestial print. It is either the Big or the Little Dipper, I'm not quite sure, but either way, I absolutely love it. Originally, when I opened this up, I was surprised to find that this is a fabric cover. I was not expecting that at all. It does have an elastic band on here to go ahead and help keep your notebook together. And then it has an elastic loop on the side as well if you want to go ahead and keep a pen there. So opening this up, I went ahead and got the lined inside. So like I was saying, they specialize in bullet journals or dot grid notebooks. They do have a small selection of lined notebooks though, and that is primarily what I was looking for. I really like this A5 size and I like the quality of Archer and Olive notebooks. So I knew that for my daily journal or my diary, I wanted something lined. Right now, I'm actually using a notebook by Notebook Therapy. Oddly enough, it has a celestial print on the front as well, like this one is a moon. But I originally bought this notebook to be a bullet journal. It turns out that I'm not really into bullet journaling. It took way too much time and was more than what I was expecting. So I went ahead and cut those pages out and then turned this in to my diary when I filled this one up. This is a really old hardbound ERIN Condren notebook. I really like having my journal as a hardbound notebook, which is why I was looking for something new. And when I filled that up, I needed something to start writing in right away. So I grabbed this, and it is a bullet journal. So it is a dot grid notebook. I am trying to go ahead and fill it up as quickly as possible so I can move on to a lined notebook, just because I prefer lines when I am writing on an entire page. So hopefully I can go ahead and move into this notebook fairly soon. And the other thing that I really like about Archer and Olive is that they have these charms on their page markers. So they've got two ribbons in each notebook. One is just a solid ribbon, and then the other one has a little charm on the end with their ampersand that's in their logo. So I really like that. I think that's a nice little luxurious touch to this notebook. And then of course it's got a pocket in the back as well. So I'm definitely excited to move into this notebook, and hopefully I'll go ahead and fill my other ones up soon. It's actually quite a bit thicker than my current one as well. So this black one is the one I'm currently writing in, and the blue one is the one I'm going to be moving into. And the one before that was even thinner. So I've got all different colors, all different sizes, all different widths. I've got a variety here. So this blue notebook was the very first thing that I picked up from Archer and Olive. Now we're going to go ahead and move into some other items as well. The reason that I placed this order was because the lined notebooks came back in stock. For a while they were out of stock and I was kind of waiting for those to come back in stock so I could go ahead and grab one quick. So when that came back in stock, they also restocked a couple of their other items that I thought looked really cool. So I went ahead and picked them up as well. And they all come in these really pretty boxes. So one of the other items that I picked up is just a notepad. So this isn't a notebook, it's just a notepad that you can go ahead and lie on your desk. It is in black and it's dot grid. So I'm excited to go ahead and try this out. I haven't had black paper since probably I was in elementary school, because I used to have like gel pens, black paper, and then you write on them with gel pens and it shows up and it looks cool. I haven't really used black paper since then, so this is a little bit nostalgic for me to have this, and I'm excited to try it out and see how it works. Similar to this notepad, I picked up another one, but this one is in craft paper. So this is more of a brown colored paper. Again, it has the dot grid on it. And again, it is a notepad as well. The reason that I really picked these two up is because I like the idea of, you know, pulling out some scratch paper, kind of ripping the page a bit and gluing it into my journal to make it a little bit abstract, or just put a design in my journal every now and then just for the heck of it. So that's really the only reason that I picked these two up. I figured I'd go ahead and try them out, see if I like them or not. I've never purchased anything from Archer and Olive before, so I'm excited to see how I like their products. And with picking up the black paper specifically, I knew that Archer and Olive had acrylic paint pens. I've been following them on Instagram for a while, and I absolutely love the designs that I see on there, and I knew that they had these pens and I knew that they showed up on the black paper, so I went ahead and grabbed some. The first two that I picked out were just two basic white pens, just because I wanted to be able to really be able to color something in black with a black marker and then write on top of it with the white marker. I've seen that done so many times and I love the way it looks. So I wanted to make sure to grab the two white ones. I grabbed a 3mm and then a 7mm, so I've got two different sizes. And then the other thing that I'm really excited about is I grabbed a pack of their acrylograph acrylic paint pens. So this set is in the 3mm size, and it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I believe 9 colors, and then a blending pen as well. So we'll go ahead and open this up for you guys. So on this side, they call this their blending palette, so you can go ahead and use this to blend multiple colors together. Open this side up. Then we have all of our paint pens in here. We have a variety of colors here, and then this last one on the end is a blending brush. And it also came with a couple of extra tips as well if for whatever reason some of the tips get clogged. I know that you can also buy refills for these on their website too. So this is the set that I purchased. I really liked the colors that were included, so I figured this would be a good set to try out and see if I like them. I'll let you guys know how it goes. But that is everything that I've ordered from Archer and Olive. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul and unboxing video. Let me know if you've heard of Archer and Olive before, or if you have had any of their products. Let me know down in the comments. And please make sure to like this video if you did enjoy it. It really helps to support my channel and let YouTube know that it should recommend this video to others. And if you're not already, please make sure to subscribe, as I upload videos every 3 days. See you in the next one.